Alexa, turn on all camper lights. Alexa, turn off all camper lights. Alexa, turn shower room on. Alexa, turn shower room red. Alexa, turn shower room green. Alexa, turn shower room blue. Alexa, turn shower room off. Alexa, turn camper bed light on. Alexa, turn camper bed light off. Alexa, turn camper kitchen light on. Alexa, turn kitchen camper light off. Alexa, turn the kitchen camper light to 2%. So guys, if you like what you've just seen and you want to know how I did it, it's very, very easy to do, and we just use these little tiny 12-volt Planet LED lights. They're the non-touch sensitive version. They're just the basic ones off of 12-volt Planet, and hooked up to a little gizmo in the back, which I will show you on the video. Secrets at the moment, keep it secret. So in return, if you want to see that video, I need a favour from you guys. I need you to hit that subscribe button. We need more subscribers. We need to feel the love from you guys. So that keeps us going. It keeps us motivated. It keeps us wanting to produce videos for you. Hope you like them up till now. If you do, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. As soon as I've got 500 subscribers, I will show you how I did this. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.